Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best dryer balls that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Wool Dryer Balls by Smart Sheep. Wool Dryer Balls by Smart Sheep is a relatively new and late entrant in the market but surprisingly has surpassed beyond all natural wool dryer balls which have been in market longer than anyone. Wool Dryer Balls by Smart Sheep brings you the best of the quality in the lowest possible cost. The best feature of Wool Dryer Balls by Smart Sheep is what has kept in the market. It certainly makes appearance in reviews of dryer balls in 2020 owing to its price penetration strategy in the market. If you own a dryer balls and it could be any of the high-value dryer balls, chances are that would be much costlier than Wool Dryer Balls by Smart Sheep. Wool Dryer Balls by Smart Sheep will have more than 50% of all its features. At number 4. SnugPad Wool Dryer Balls. If you are buying a dryer balls for the first time, then you should have SnugPad Wool Dryer Balls. It has fewer features when you make dryer balls comparisons of SnugPad Wool Dryer Balls with any other dryer balls, but what it has is ease of use and best-in-class service. Go ahead and grab a dryer balls. Grab any dryer balls, but if you are first-time user and want a good experience, do not look anywhere other than SnugPad Wool Dryer Balls. 100% premium New Zealand wool dryer balls with no fillers. Chemical-free alternative to using dryer sheets. At number 3. Woolzies, the original highest quality wool dryer balls. Woolzies, the original highest quality wool dryer balls, is a veteran in the market and has been here for a long time. It offers something of a unique feature which no other competitor offers. While the market is running after Whitmore plastic dryer balls, Maple Hill dryer balls, Eco Spin green dryer balls, Woolzies, the original highest quality wool dryer balls has always had loyal customers for that particular feature, and this has safeguarded its market share, and they have successfully been able to keep their longtime users happy. Go for Woolzies, the original highest quality wool dryer balls, if you want to try out something of a fusion of new and classic. Fun and interesting fact about dryer balls is that even though Woolzies, the original highest quality wool dryer balls, is a veteran, the users are mostly younger generation. You can say fashion makes a turn after a century or so and things repeat. At number 2. Ohoco Wool Dryer Balls 6-Pack XL. These felted wool dryer balls make changes to how you do laundry to live a healthy and eco-friendly lifestyle. They bounce around in the dryer and make your clothes dry faster and become softer. These eco-dryer balls are made from all natural wool of New Zealand sheep. Different with commercial fabric softeners and dryer sheets, these wool dryer balls are chemical-free and odorless. Safe for baby clothes. Save your time and money. By decreasing drying time up to 25%, these small dryer balls save time for more important things and save your money on utility bills. They are renewable and last 1,000 plus loads. Use the white balls for light clothes and gray ones for dark clothes. As they tumble, the dryer balls fluff your laundry, reduce wrinkles and pummel the laundry to make it softer and won't affect the absorbency. Finally, at number 1. Wool Dryer Balls 4-Pack XL. Our premium wool dryer balls are pure handmade natural New Zealand wool. 100% organic, eco-friendly, without any chemicals, and safe for baby or any sensitive skins. Each of our wool dryer balls adds 0.4 ounces of wool over conventional dry balls, so that our wool dryer balls are more compact inside and not easy to loose. They can be used instead of plastic balls, liquid fabric and dryer sheets. Say goodbye to everything that endangers the environment and health. Extra large size. The dryer balls diameter size are 2.96. Kingta dryer balls can reduce wrinkles, soften your clothes. It carry your family in green and safe, chemicals-free way. They are the perfect choice for every family. Organic laundry drying balls can reduce drying time by 25%. Kingta dryer balls can less noisy than other plastic balls, create a quiet home environment. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.